In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your RAM cache on your Windows 11 computer. So to actually go and see how much cached RAM you have, we can come over to our Start menu and just search for Task Manager and then click on the Task Manager window. Now from here, click on Performance on the left-hand side and then select Memory. Now you can see right down at the bottom here that I have 11 gigabytes of cached RAM. So I'm going to show you how we can clear this. So what we're going to do is just head over to an internet browser and type in RAM map and hit enter. I then click on the official Microsoft website at the top here, and from this website scroll down and click on the download RAM map link. Then we're going to head over to the downloads folder on your computer, and you should now have this RAM map zip file. So what we need to do is just extract this file by right clicking on it, select extract all, make sure to check this option show extracted files when complete, and then press extract. Now that we've extracted these files, we can double click on the rammap.exe, agree to the terms and conditions, and now I'm going to show you how to clear your RAM cache. So if I bring up the Task Manager window and just put both of these side by side like so. So if I come over to this tool and click on empty in the top navigation and select empty standby list, you can see now our cache from the Task Manager window is going to go all the way down to 100 megabytes, which is obviously a dramatic difference. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.